Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create professional account on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we have to go to the Instagram setting, click on your profile, and you can click on these three lines to open the Instagram settings and activity. And here we have to scroll down until we find the account type and tools. There's one. Okay, and here we just need to click on switch to professional account, then click on continue, 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 and continue again. And here you can select what best describes you. And for instance, I'm gonna go with the digital creator. Then we can click on done, click on OK, and just wait for a moment. It's still loading, and here we can select creator or business, and I'm going to select creator. Then we just need to click on next, then click on continue. Okay, and here you can set up your professional account, but I'm just going to skip this tab. We can do it later, and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, as you can see, after we have switched to professional accounts, we will get the professional dashboard on our Instagram profile. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a professional account on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.